Alright, you can see stacks and stacks of Fermob stacking chairs, all lined up, finished with production, all sitting ready to be painted. So as you can see, literally hundreds and hundreds of products sitting around. And these guys are moving all over the place. Here's one of the guys in the corner as he's welding, putting the finishing touches on one of the chairs. And then he's over here, and he's building the assembly for the legs that go on the bistro table. You can see that's for, it looks like for one of the rectangles. So they were explaining they have these jigs set up, and you can see he sits here, and then it goes into place. And it's robotics that does it. So the robots do the welding as he sets it up. That's really cool. So then they were just explaining that these guys have to learn how to use all kinds of technology in the assembly of the